If you're an entrepreneur in your first year of business and you didn't make money, let's say you lost money in your first year of business, you might be wondering if you need to report that on your personal tax return. And this is a common misconception I hear is like there's a threshold, like if you make less than a few $1,000s, you don't need to report it. Or if you have a loss, you don't need to report it. The first thing is if you do have a loss, you're going to want to report it. So if you've invested in your business and you actually lost money in the first year because you haven't started generating income, you want to claim that as a loss on your tax return. Because then if you have income from other sources, you can offset that income and lower your personal tax bill using the loss that you have in your business. Or if you have a corporation, you could potentially carry that loss forward to future tax years or backwards to previous tax years if this is not your first year in business. So yes, if you have a loss, record it, tell the CRA because you want to get your tax benefits from investing in the business. And then the other thing is there's no minimum threshold of when you need to report your income on your tax return. And even if you made a minimal amount of income, and you're like, I probably don't owe taxes, I probably don't need to file, or I don't need to rush to file, you want to get that stuff filed because that's going to allow you to be eligible for certain benefits that you can claim, and these benefits get paid out based on your tax filings. So don't skip on filing. Don't forget to let the CRA know what happened this year.